4-bedroom, 2+ bath, just 8 minutes from Douglas Bay with 32 by 32 garage on 2.69 acres. This tree-lined property offers so many possibilities for a homeowner looking for acreage, storage and close access to Garrison and the Douglas Bay public boat ramp. The home has had some recent updates. Garage constructed, 2013, steel roofing and vinyl siding, 2013, furnace, water heater and central air, 2019 to 2021, bamboo flooring throughout majority of the home. The kitchen offers plenty of newer hickory cabinets with under-cabinet lighting, new countertops and stainless steel appliances.Some TLC and finishing touches such as updated paint, trim and additional bamboo flooring provided by the seller would complete the stylish look to this 2,128 square foot home. The 32 by 32 garage with tin sidewalls provides storage for all the toys and hobbies.